What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry it's been so long, but I made the mistake a lot of creators make. I let great get in the way of good enough. This is one of the most exciting videos I've ever been able to post on my channel, and I wanted it to be great, but really, I just need to get it out. So here it is, my skydiving trip. Let's go.
All right, what's going on, Seth?
Nothing much, trying to check something off the bucket list.
What are you about to check off the bucket list?
I'm jumping out of an airplane.
Jumping out of an airplane. You're about to go skydiving?
I am.
And why in the world are you doing that?
It's been on the bucket list. I don't know. I've done a couple other things. I did one of those like free fall things, and I've done parasailing, and so, you know, next level, right?
Going to take it on farther, huh? Well, who's here with you?
My wife Morgan is here with me.
And she's over there. She's staying out of the camera, I see. And I hear that you got a birthday coming up.
Yeah, I do. Her and some of my friends are sending me skydiving for my birthday, so hopefully they're not just trying to get rid of me.
I hear you. Make sure there's no insurance policies going on here, right? I hear you. All right, man. Well, if you ain't got anything else to say to anybody, we'll get ready to do this here in a minute, and I'll see you then.
All right. Thanks so much.
Get outside and have fun. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. All right, buddy. Woo. Give him just a second, get you unhooked. So what'd you think?
That was incredible.
All right, man, you're free from him. Don't trip on these lines.
Oh, man. I like the ground, though.
Thank
you so much, dude.
Awesome, dude. Hey, tell me what the best part is.
The free fall, but that's incredible. Whew. My ears still haven't unstopped yet.
It's a beautiful view.
Oh, man. Oh, the view was incredible. We went right past the cloud. I was like, what?
Awesome, man. Hey, thanks for jumping with us. Welcome to the sky.
So much.
Woo.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that. It was certainly an incredible experience. I've heard so many people say that oh, it's a dream of mine, it's on my bucket list to go skydiving. And at the end of the day, it's really not that expensive if you make some sacrifices. Maybe don't go out to eat a few times. It's $100, $200, at least close to where I am. So it's really reasonably priced to do something so exhilarating. And I owe a special thanks to my friends and family who paid for me to go for my birthday. That was really incredible, and I appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. It is a potentially once in a lifetime experience. I don't know, I may go again in the future, but if not, I got it on video, and that's pretty incredible. If you're only going to go once, you might as well get it on video. So thank y'all so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. It was one of the highlights of my life so far, and I hope it encourages you to step out and do it as well one of these days if that's something that's on your bucket list. So that's enough for now. I'll see you next time. Take care.